Karibu bono eliyo nkomanye ase njira ereyo wikirano tuguchaka limolioka noroboti ase obotuki wagenderete limolioka igoro yo gusambwa we skuru ya Nyamache gose igoro yo muriro mutindi gwateka ase skuru ya St Paul's Igunga ase litukulia rero ase aborokiwa batano na babere baba bagutegerwa chingoma chinke asomo DCC okenyenya asomo DCC kurwa ase chinsemecho aberega kweneke gekorekyo nagotebabuna ni kubotukibwa chakigwe limolioka eriko enekya ngiya chakyo mulero yobotukubogo kirarero ase nonye nabo amasomo abaga kogenderera ase eskuru yo muri kito dipon asanya nero gutuchakirie kyonga chinsaibere ase nchira yowekirano
Ogwateka kumurero ase nyomba yoburaro ase skuru yabamura ya St Paul's Igunga yogotoka ebunge ya Bonchari meye county ya Kisii negekore kiabatura abaibori erombe emambia asoko myoka kuligereria enchera abana babo bagenderete sector yechisemi amona boigo borendi kurwa se bunge yo bakorawa nomo deputy county commissioner Grace Ouma. My name
is Grace Ouma, the Deputy County Commissioner, Kisii South. Yeah, we are here following yesterday's arson. There was a dormitory that was partially burnt or set on fire, but the students managed to bring the fire down. The fire brigade from Nyamira was also here yesterday, and it is something that was manageable. So the students were able to settle and sleep.
Wateka na umuriro yoiga ni gobeta ko wateka chinsa chiabotuko ni goboroki wakianda babeta bagutigerwa chingoma chinke.
We had 9 casualties. All the 9 were brought back. They went to the local dispensary here and they were treated and stable. They are all back in school. We are following on the arson. We are waiting. The DCI is on it, and we will soon get if it was electrical fault or it involved maybe a student or if there was an outsider, so that we leave it to the DCI.
Maigaja baibori kobokera koligereria amagima y'abana babo ni gobono baenekerwa oborendi boisaine.
So we have met the parents. They have come and they insisted on seeing their children. They have seen them and they are assured that they are safe. We have also assured them that all is well with us. We are taking charge.
Chingaki ekiombe gya DCI gya chakiro botuki asokumanya omuchakano bo wateka kumuriro yoiga ngobono egekaro kyabene kyaliganiwe kyogocha abaibori aborokiwa naboigo ababwatani be serikali ase sector yechisemi ne secteri yoburendi barachikomirana asogokwanira anena mangana ali arengete eskuru yoiga.
So we have agreed to have an AGM next week on Wednesday so that the parents can also share their grievances, if any. We have already heard from the students and they have all been addressed. Today we are also installing the new principal because there has been a while without a substantive principal, and maybe that is why there was the challenges. So we are sure this is the last time Igunga is burning.
Roiga skuru ya secondary ya mamura ya St Paul's Igunga yogotoke bunge ya Bonchari meye county ya Kisii ile ngongoro kwa Dipon Asanya.